Welcome to my garden. Today I'm going to the garden center to buy some plants for my side table. They have a huge collection of summer bulbs, all arranged on color. Now it is the time to start thinking of your summer display, and I highly recommend adding summer bulbs to your garden for that splash of color. As you know, I love dahlias, and although I've already ordered most of my dahlias online, I couldn't resist buying a few more, like these gorgeous white ones. I love eucomas, and I already have a few bulbs, but I'd like to have a few more of them. I've never grown lilies before, and this year I will try to grow a couple of them. I always like to try out new things. I like these white muscaries for on my side table next to the kitchen window. This is a variety called White Magic. I'm also bringing these bridal crown daffodils home with me. Their fragrance is amazing. Primroses come in many colors, but I love the soft pale yellow color for on my table. I'm very happy with my shopping basket, but now it's time to go home and change the display of my side table. I'm not quite pleased with the result yet, and I keep rearranging the plants until I'm happy. Finally, I cover the pots with moss. This hides the plastic container and it looks more natural. I'm really happy with the end result. By adding a few plants and bulbs, it already gives a spring feeling for the coming weeks to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Hope to see you next time.